Today we will be discussing how to make money with Bitcoin. So let me ask you a question. Would you like to earn Bitcoins on a daily basis, but not sure how to go about it? If your answer is yes, then watch this video right until the end. We have a brand new 100% hands-free auto trading system that will help you do just that. Right, let's get started.
What if you had access to a complete hands-free passive income platform and emulate what Bitcoin millionaires are doing, cranking out commissions on autopilot? Would that interest you? If you answered yes, then please give your undivided attention to this video for the next 2 minutes. Now look, I know you might be skeptical about what I say right here, but that really is the case. In fact, many of the members are already banking a minimum of $500 to over $1,000 or more each week. Hi there, it's Edward Keat here, and the truth is, it wasn't that long ago when I was struggling. I know what it's like to work like a dog with nothing in return. But fast forward past all the years of trial and error, joining company after company, I finally come across a company that has cracked the code for making a full-time online income. And as of now, since joining April 2020, I've helped hundreds of people just like you make money with this company. Yep, that's me, now earning over $170 daily total as of recording this video. So what's the key to success? Do not reinvent the wheel. Simply following our proven system is all that's required. If you try to figure out everything yourself, you are unlikely to succeed. And to make matters worse, you could lose thousands and your limited time. So please stop and listen closely to what I have in store for you. Now you might be wondering, what are the gurus doing to make a huge passive income online? And how can I model their success? What sets them apart from the 99% of the people trying to make money online who compete for the scraps, barely getting by? The fact is, they don't want you to know what they're really doing to make their money. A lot of it's based on hype, and so many just follow the same old pre-launch and then run to the next money game. Let me tell you a dirty little secret. A lot of leaders don't make money online using the methods they teach you. In fact, they generate hype around the next big launch that lasts maybe 3 months tops. Then by the time you get to hear about it, they're all promoting the next big thing as the next magic bullet. It's no wonder why so many are struggling to make money online. And that's exactly why we went on a mission to uncover what needed to be done so that even the total newbie could succeed. After years of looking, testing platforms, joining businesses after businesses, and networking with trustworthy people, we finally partnered up with a company that understood the struggles and had already launched a platform that had already fully put into place all the necessary safety measures required to keep the platform absolutely long-term that other companies had failed. Interesting, right? This company had launched a web-based system that does the heavy lifting for us, 100% hands-free online system that never fails. And that's what we have to share with you today. They created an online system that allows you to earn a passive income by leveraging the efforts of our professional traders. These traders not only trade on our behalf, but also put down the collateral necessary to cover all the possible drawdowns, thus allowing the company to never lose. I got started with enough to get me into the global streamline pools. That allowed me to immediately earn from everyone that joined after me in the entire company. Plus, I earned from my own personal deposits, and it didn't stop there. I started earning from other 5 ways of passive bonuses, and my income grew to over $3,000 per month in passive income. I knew I had my hands on something big, but I needed to make sure that this would work for the average Joe. So I started to really share this out there, even with green newbies with no prior experience in either crypto or running an online business. These people had never made a dime online. And you know what happened? They all started to earn a passive income online, proving that not only does this work for myself and the leaders, but that it also works like a charm for newbies too. It's all thanks to the easy to use hands-free platform and the dedicated team and CEO. It doesn't get any easier than this. No need to share out a business link if you don't want to. You still make money. No creating videos, no paid ads, no hosting, no domain names, no writing emails, no technical mumbo jumbo, no extra expenses, no nonsense, no speaking to family and friends. The company does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Join from the link that your referrer gave you. Step 2. Decide how much you'd like to deposit, and the system will simply deposit commissions into your account 4 days per week, 100% hands-free on autopilot. And step 3, absolutely optional, start sharing out this amazing system with others to unlock even more additional commissions. But if you'd rather not share this out there, you still make money. Listen, this platform is unlike anything you've ever seen before, which is why it's going to be around for years and years. They could have easily found hundreds of big investors to join because they knew this auto trading service would be hugely in demand, and thus you and I would never hear about this secret gold mine. The problem is, not everyone can afford to deposit hundreds of thousands of dollars up front. It's a lot to ask for especially amid the pandemic. So here's the deal. We're going to give you the chance to join this system for not a giant deposit of $50,000. You won't need to deposit $10,000, not $5,000, not even $1,000, which is recommended. But you can start for less than $500, just a one-time deposit, or just test the waters with $100, or even minimum $25 just to hold your account for life. And at least you'll earn on that the same as the price of a pizza by clicking the link below. But please don't delay any longer. It is in your best interest to get started, as the global streamline is growing even as we speak, and you could earn from all of them that join after you. If you hesitate and come back later, they'll all leapfrog above you in the streamline, and they'll be earning from you instead. You lose all the volume that joined this week. The sooner you get started, and depending on your action, the sooner you could be stuffing your wallet and seeing these juicy BTC commissions. Now, if you're still on the fence because you've been burnt before, then listen to take away all risk from this decision. At the very least, just start with at least $25 worth of Bitcoin to hold your account for life, and you'll earn from lifetime contracts and hold your position within the global streamline, which continues to grow by the thousands weekly, and the volume is growing millions of dollars weekly under you. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below now to get started. Join under the person that shared out this video with you.